Hey guys, just want to show you this Celtic Tara brooch. Very nice quality with rhinestones. You can see it's metal all around. It's a pin in the back. We call it a pin or a brooch, whatever you want to call it. That's what it is. And here it is right here. I just want to show you all the details of this beautiful piece of jewelry. Really well made. The stones are beautiful and vibrant. Lots of color. And most importantly, a lot of people ask, what is the size? So I have my little measure here. I'm going to give you the exact size so you know what size is, and that's important. So let's just get a quick measurement here, show you. So this is 71 millimeters long, and the width of this is, and let's roll this in here like that, and the width, the length is 71, the width is 50, well 49 really. So 71 by 50 is the actual size of the brooch. You can see here it's actually beautiful. The color is actually gorgeous. The shininess, just absolutely stunning piece of jewelry. So I just want to make a quick video and just show you how it looks. Here is the back. It's got the pin right here in the back. This is how you unlatch it right here. You can see how that popped open, and to lock it, you just close it and latch it back. And that's all you have to do. Hope the video was helpful. Thanks for watching.